In this video, I will show you how you can change the app icon colors on your iPad 11 A16. Now to customize the colors of the app icons on your iPad, just tap and hold on the empty space on the home screen. Now once the app starts jiggling, then just tap on the edit button, and from this menu just select customize. And over here you will be able to customize the colors of the app icon on your iPad. As you can see, it is currently on the default option, but you also have the option for dark. If you select dark, you will enable the dark mode option for the app icons on your iPad. After the dark mode option, you have the option for clear, and if you select clear, all the apps on your iPad will be set in liquid glass style. And in clear mode, you have the option for light and dark. Just select the one which you like. And also you have the option for auto, and it will automatically shift from light mode to dark mode depending on the time of the day. Then finally, you have the option for tinted. And in tinted mode, you can apply a tint to all the app icons on your iPad. Over here, you can change the color of the tint. And from the second slider, you can increase or decrease the intensity of the tint. If you want to select a custom color from the wallpaper of your iPad, then just tap on the eyedropper icon and select the color from the wallpaper which you want to set as the icon colors. After you select the color, you will set that color as the default color for the app icons. Then you also have the option for dark and light. You also have the option for auto. I will set it on light. And once you're done customizing the app icon colors, then just tap on anywhere on the screen to save the changes. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.